Is there a chance of a blackout? The answer is yes. This is the survival kit you will need in the event of a power outage. Don't run out of light with these solar-powered, flameless LED candles. This is the best solar bulb to light up in case of a power failure. Light up all the spaces you need. If you want to prepare for the dreaded big blackout, in addition to non-perishable food, these are the must-have items in your home: torch, LED bulb, and solar-powered candles. The torch works without batteries or wires. You can have light thanks to solar energy or that received through the movement of a lever. Perfect for blackouts. The LED bulb with high efficiency and low consumption solar panel allows you to charge the bulb very quickly whenever it is exposed to sunlight. Click the link down below and find more information about it and read the reviews of people who are already using Suneem Solar Pack.